Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on Keras and TensorFlow and Kaggle, such as we have seen facial emotion recognition using TensorFlow, then we have seen facial emotion recognition using Keras. We also seen facial emotion recognition using CNN model, image classification using ResNet, then emotion detection using CNN, Keras, then we see facial emotion recognition using Keras, then using Seaborn and using Keras categorize the emotion. So today's video is really creative and interesting. We are going to recognize the Bollywood celebrity using Kaggle. So let us go through the main file. Recognize the Bollywood celebrity using Kaggle dataset. So this is all about the program code. Friends, please be patient because this code takes some time to execute, so please be patient till the end. I will execute the program now. It will take some time. So now your program execution begins. It will take some time because here the data set is 8664. So it will take some time, be patient. We are going to recognize the face of celebrities using Kaggle. I have done plenty of videos on facial emotion recognition. I have also done facial emotion recognition, categorize the facial emotion recognition. I also done some videos on Streamlight. Plenty of videos also. My favorite videos are of attendance system. I have developed many videos on attendance system. I've gone through web development using Python also with MySQL and Postgres. I have done a lot of videos, and still I am trying to create new videos on web development using Python. I've gone through microservices. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices. I have gone through microservices using Python. Then I have gone through socket programming using Python also. Some few videos on socket programming using Python. Then I have gone through some videos on data science also, that Excel connectivity. Data will be coming from the Excel file or storing the Excel file, or we can say storing the data in case of Postgres or MySQL, and using matplotlib. Some analysis is done on data that we have seen using Python, MySQL and Postgres. At the beginning, I started Python with web development. I have done plenty of videos on Python connectivity using Flask to Postgres database, then MySQL also, then MongoDB also. We have seen plenty of videos on MongoDB also using web development. So it is really interesting to do some videos on Python in machine learning, because that is the curiosity of the user, that how the program executes in machine learning. So I started. Then I have done image processing using machine learning. I have done face recognition using MTCNN. I have done face recognition using VGG face to model. I also done celebrity recognition using VGG phase 2 model. For that, VGG phase 2 model is very popular, and creating the data set using Python and TensorFlow. We have seen that videos. Also, we have seen OpenAI. I am trying to explore more on OpenAI, but it will take some time. Because that not that much not easy to do OpenAI in this thing, because we need to have a subscription for that. Then I started with Node.js, really interesting and really creative. I completed Node.js videos within few months, but I was really users are really appreciative that I have done some videos on Node.js. React, I have done some videos on React, but I find white framework for React is very good. You can develop the videos very fast using white framework. So users, friends, be patient. The program is executing. Now it is 30, so it is nearer to, so it will take some time, so please be patient. After the execution of the program, the celebrity's face will be displayed. Up to 6 celebrities' face will be displayed using from the Kaggle dataset, and the 6 faces will be recognized. Faces will be recognized. So we need to be patient. Right now it is 40%. Fine. I also have done some videos on operating system also, like process, threads, and theoretical videos such like end user operating system, that I have done video. And then I have done one video on rocking affairs with PostgreSQL. That video I have done using theoretical video theory. Also I have done video on metadata, very nice. And our latest video few months ago, I have done the video of MongoDB, architecture of MongoDB. So that part was also really appreciated. So now I am thinking to move on to OpenAI before as early as possible, because I want to do videos on OpenAI and AI agent. So now it is 50%, so please be patient. I done few videos on PHP, but PHP not so I started doing videos on, at the beginning I done some videos on PHP. Afterwards I started programming on advanced Java, JSP, Servlet, HSC. And then I realized that Python will be the best option, and then I shifted to Python and I started doing programming using Python. So I done some videos on cloud, but still I was not that much closer to cloud, so I skip that part. Also I done videos on Android 2 to 3 only, but that part is really it is 58%. Yes, fine. Now it is moving fast. So please be patient, please watch video till the end. Since the data set is very large, it will take some time. Now it is 66%. Yes, yes. It will be slowly migrating to 100%. Fine, fine. So please be patient. You will see afterwards the 6 recognized faces of celebrities in really different style. Now the program is coming nearer to the end of the program. Now it is 70%, only 30% is remaining. Please be patient. So now afterwards, when the program will complete, you will see 6 faces of celebrities which the Kaggle dataset is having, and for that it will take some time, because since the Kaggle dataset is more, now it is 6,300 and this thing, and it is now 8, we have to go to 8,664. So please be patient. Now it is 6,000. Now it is nearer. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. 81, 81, 82, 81, 82. Please be patient. Please be patient. Yes, yes. It is approaching to 100%. Yes. 84, 84. Please be patient. Please be patient. Now it is coming nearer, nearer. %. Yes, fine, fine, fine. Yes, fine, 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 fine. Now it is coming nearer. Yes, yes.
बघ आता तो 5 मिनिटं म्हणतोय.
Yes, yes. Yes, Varun Dhawan. Yes, name is predicted. Then again Varun Dhawan. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, करीना कपूर, अर्जुन रामपाल, रणवीर कपूर. 3 plus 2, again one hero. Fine. So I successfully done with face recognition using Kaggle dataset. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Kaggle dataset, machine learning, CNN, then Seaborn, then Keras, TensorFlow. For latest update about machine learning, keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.